Let's make a Rum Punch Mimosa. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a Rum Punch Mimosa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. This particular drink is of my own formulation. If you look up a mimosa online, you get 2 ingredients. You get the orange juice and you get a sparkling wine, usually champagne. If you look up a rum punch online, you'll get a whole lot of recipes, dozens if not hundreds of different rum punches. So adding them two together, there's a lot of different combinations. And if you look up Rum Punch Mimosa online, there's a bunch of recipes there too. So like I do when I normally do new recipes, I look them up online, just like I told you I did, and I kind of find the core ingredients that go into these things, and I try to use those to create my own version. And that's what I did here. So we're going to have orange juice, pineapple juice, grenadine, rum, and some Prosecco. A note on the rum. Most Rum Punch Mimosa recipes I found online used a white rum, so that's what I'm going to use today. And the juices will be quite strong, so you don't need a fancy white rum. I'm using a Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. If you want to use a nicer white rum, feel free to do so. If you want to use an aged rum or some other type of rum that you think would go well in here, feel free to do so. And if you find something that's magical, let me know what it is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding some ingredients to our shaker. And we're going to start out with our white rum. I'm going to put in 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. Excuse me while I try to get these caps off. And I pour with my offhand. Oh, don't put that away yet. Grenadine, half an ounce of grenadine. And I do make my own grenadine. The recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Orange juice. 1 ounce of orange juice, fresh squeezed of course, which is 30 milliliters. And 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, fresh squeezed, if you've got the chest strength. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. I tried to put the cap on the jigger there. Never mind me. Pain meds are wonderful. I'm going to add some ice to this. Well, now I can set my jigger to the side. This is harder than it looks. And I'm going to try and give this a shake. Wish me luck. I don't have a lot of grip strength with this hand, which is why I'm shaking a little bit funny. Now, I'm going to let this sit for just a moment as I get my champagne flute. I'm going to add some Prosecco into the bottom of this. And I did get this little tip from my friend BetterAvecBourbon, who put a little bit of carbonated beverage in the bottom of their highball-style drinks in order to help with the mixing. So I'm going to have to open this Prosecco, though, so I may call in my lovely assistant, my wife, to do this for me. I'll be right back with you. That went surprisingly well. Smells good. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of the Prosecco in the bottom of the glass. I should tip the glass a little bit. Pouring with my offhand again. I think that's enough. BetterAvecBourbon, let me know if that was enough. Now I'm going to add my rum mixture into that. Put that out of the way. And, oh no, I'm not going to put it out of the way. I'm going to top it off with some more champagne. Oh, see if that pours over. Yes, celebration time. Yeah, I hate wasting that, but hold on. Is there a way to get the bubbles out faster? But other than waiting, we're going to wait. Put a little bit more down the side. I think that'll do. Now we'll get it out of the way. And to garnish, I'm going to use a pineapple chunk and a cherry. And put that right across the glass like that. Festive, right? Oh my gosh. All right, and there you have it. A Rum Punch Mimosa. Drink with good spirits. Perfect for brunch. Question of the day. Do you have a Rum Punch Mimosa recipe? If so, what is it? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You don't have to wear them like this. Well, with your elbow up, that is. You can wear them any way that you feel comfortable. If you want a t-shirt, you can have one. That's my point. Just contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. And since you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything else that I do. And until next time, cheers.